Did you know that you spend about 1/3 of your life sleeping? That's a lot of time spent in dreamland, folks. But what if I told you that sleep isn't just about catching some Z's or escaping to a world where you're an international spy or a rock star? It's a lot more than that. We're talking about an activity that occupies a significant chunk of our lives. Imagine if you lived to be 90, you'd have spent around 30 years in slumber. Yet despite this substantial investment of time, many of us don't fully understand the importance of sleep or the profound impact it has on our health. From your brain to your heart, from your mood to your immune system, and even your weight, quality sleep plays a crucial role in every aspect of your health. That's why we're here today, to unravel the mystery of sleep. Let's dive into sleep. Not literally, of course, we're not ready for nap time just yet. Imagine your brain as a dishwasher. No, we're not calling you a dish head. Stick with us. Now picture this. All day long, your brain is cooking up a storm of thoughts, ideas, and emotions. Like any good kitchen, it produces some waste, toxins and byproducts that need to be cleared away. That's where sleep comes in, acting like the overnight cleaning crew. While you're dreaming about winning the lottery, or forgetting your lines in the school play, your brain is getting down and dirty with the grime of the day. Groundbreaking research from the University of Rochester has shown that during sleep, the brain's waste removal system, known as the glymphatic system, kicks into high gear. It's like a little dishwasher, scrubbing away those toxins that accumulate during the day. So the next time someone calls you a dish head, take it as a compliment. Your brain is just doing some spring cleaning. Sleep may just be the best love letter you can write to your heart. Now, I'm not talking about sending your heart a dreamy sonnet or a sweet lullaby. I'm talking about good quality sleep. It's like a rejuvenating spa treatment for your ticker. Research has found a cozy relationship between sound sleep and a healthy heart. Studies show that people who consistently get that golden 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night are less likely to suffer from heart disease. That's right, your heart adores a good snooze as much as you do. But what about those of us who skimp on sleep, who burn the midnight oil, or who toss and turn instead of catching those sweet Z's? Well, unfortunately, studies show that inadequate sleep can lead to a higher risk of heart disease regardless of age, weight, smoking, and exercise habits. So sleep well, lovebirds. Your heart will thank you. Are you trying to shed some pounds? Then you might want to hit the sack. Yes, you heard it right. Your sleep pattern has a direct impact on your weight. It's not just about diet and exercise, folks. There's a growing body of research showing that people who don't get enough sleep are more likely to gain weight and even become obese. You might be wondering, how does that work? Well, when you're sleep deprived, your body's balance of hormones gets thrown off. This can increase your hunger and cravings for high-calorie foods. Imagine you're up late binge-watching your favorite show, and suddenly the fridge starts calling your name. That's your lack of sleep talking. It's like your body's sneaky way of tricking you into snacking. So, it's not just about burning calories at the gym. Good quality sleep is a key player in the weight loss game. So, if you're looking to slim down, don't just count calories. Count sheep. Feeling grumpy? You might just need a good night's sleep. Now, let's talk about the fascinating relationship between your mood and sleep. Ever notice how you're more likely to snap at someone when you're tired? That's not just you being a grouch, it's actually science. Research has consistently shown that lack of sleep can make us more irritable, anxious, and even depressed. One study found that people who regularly get less than 6 hours of sleep are 10 times more likely to develop depression than those who sleep 7 to 9 hours. And it's not just about quantity, but also quality. Waking up frequently or tossing and turning all night can leave you feeling just as cranky as if you'd pulled an all-nighter. So what's the remedy? A good night's sleep, of course. A well-rested brain is a happy brain. So, next time you're feeling down, don't reach for the ice cream. Reach for your pillow. Want to fight off colds and flu? Forget the vitamin C, try some Z's. Let's dive into the world of white blood cells, the body's little warriors, constantly on the front line fighting off invaders like viruses and bacteria. When we sleep, our body produces more of these soldiers ready to tackle any unwanted guests. However, when we don't get enough sleep, it's like sending our troops into battle without enough ammunition. Research paints a clear picture. People who are sleep deprived are more prone to falling ill after being exposed to a virus. Think of sleep as your secret weapon, your invisible shield against the cold, the flu, or even more serious infections. It's like your very own superhero cape, but instead of flying, it helps you stay healthy. So, how about a bedtime story? Once upon a time, there was a person who slept well, lived well, and stayed well. The end. So, if you want to keep those germs at bay, make sure you get your beauty sleep. So, there you have it. Sleep isn't just for the lazy, it's essential for your health. We've journeyed through the marvels of sleep, diving deep into your brain, heart, weight, mood, and immune system. We've unraveled the mystery of sleep and found that it's not just about catching some Z's. It's about keeping our brains sharp and focused, our hearts strong and resilient, our weight in check, our moods balanced, and our immune systems robust. We've seen that quality sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the secret sauce to a healthier, happier you. So here's the deal. Don't treat sleep as an afterthought. Give it the respect it deserves. Prioritize it. Revel in it. After all, it's not just about closing your eyes and drifting off. It's about giving your body the care it needs to function at its best. So remember, folks, don't skimp on sleep. Your body will thank you. And who knows, you might even have some sweet dreams along the way.